Buckle up, guys, we're going to ruffle some feathers. Alright, so what happened a few days ago, I was working on an AK from the custom builder and the rifle was built absolutely perfectly. Every rivet was done as it should, everything looked great, rifle looked great, but it was not shooting. First, I always thought, well, it's gotta be a shooter fault, so I blamed the guy, but no, I went behind the rifle, shot it, and what do you know, it groups above 5 MOAs, so something is completely wrong. And I started investigating, checking everything. As I said, the rifle was built beautifully, but I'm not going to drop any names because people get pissed and torque up on the internet, and I don't think it was a builder's fault. I think I made the same mistake once in the past. This is a beautiful AKM built by me from the parts kits from 1960s. Absolutely, the quality of the parts kit was top notch. Every rivet, everything on this rifle was done to the spec. The rivets were pressed with the press gauges and everything, and absolutely perfection on the build. But I did chip out with the money on the barrel. I dropped the ball on the barrel, and the rifle quickly was not shooting as it should. So the lesson is, guys, don't chip out on the barrels. If you are ordering a build from the builder and sending the parts kit, go and pick up a good barrel, because no matter what you're going to put on the rifle later on, if you have bad barrel, that rifle will never shoot up to your expectations. And this is the best proof here, right? We got the Palmetto State Armory rifle here, and this is a mass produced and absolutely run-of-the-mill rifle, and this rifle shoots the circles around that rifle or that other custom builder rifle. And why? Because the barrel on this rifle is a better quality than what I have used here. So which barrels are good? And from my experience, guys, if you're looking for a decent accuracy and decent performance from the barrel, not accuracy, I should say precision. If you're looking for a decent precision from the barrel, look into the Green Mountain barrels. They usually have really good barrels. They hold up well. They will withstand the common AK person abuse without any issues. But don't short sell yourself. You're spending a lot of money. Those parts kits usually right now cost a lot of money, and the people get the parts kits and then they pick any barrel they can find on the internet and running with it, and then there is a disappointment, right? Because the rifle is not shooting as it should. Also, when you are ordering the rifles, those custom built rifles, ask the builder, ask the manufacturer, hey, whose barrels you're using? What is the actual performance I can accept from it? So it will set some standard. And nobody's talking here about the sub MOA AKs, guys, but 5 MOA from the custom build AK, I would say I would be really pissed, right? But who's to blame? Is it the builder to blame, or the guy who supply the parts kits and all the parts, the barrel, to the builder? The guy just put everything together and charged the fee, rightfully so, for it. But who is guilty here? So if you going with the custom build, if you're sending the rifle to the builder, make sure that not just the parts kits are cool, but the rest of the components, and especially barrel, is good. Choose something which you know, and you can easily jump on AK files, do the search and see what the people really like, which barrels stand out. As I said, I don't want to throw anyone under the bus, and because that's not the point here, but do your research. It takes less than 30 seconds and you're going to have results, and you will see which barrels you should stay away from and which barrels you may want to use, and you should be happy. Because I'm telling you, if you have a crappy barrel, no matter what rail systems you're going to put, it doesn't really matter, because that rifle will be shooting like crap. and then you will be frustrated, you will have a problems with the builder, or you will go after that custom builder and you will be really pissed at him, and there is a fight and the people are, you know, really upset, and we all know the stories, right? Besides, if you're spending a lot of money on all the other sub components, why not to, there is an old saying, guys, pay once, cry once. Do it once, do it right, and everyone will be happy. Because as I said, later on, to fix that, yes, you can change the barrel and everything, but then if you put the custom finish, and this guy which I was working with, rifle with, he had the custom Cerakote on the barrel too, and the rifle looked beautiful, as I said. It's just not shooting at all. So hey, just slow down, do a little bit research, poke around, people will help you out. Ask on AK Files, ask me, I will help you out, and you will be happy camper at the end of the day. All right, guys, that's it. It was like a quick, heartwarming video. I hope nobody will get pissed on the internet and you're not going to start fighting with each other and throwing people under the bus. That was not the idea of this video. I just want to make you aware, like, don't be cheap, don't short sell yourself, and ask questions. Always ask questions. All right, that's it. I'm zipping out. If I'll not see you before Christmas, Merry Christmas to all of you. Thanks for being with us. See you in the next video. Bye.